So what that means for the upcoming resource that'll be coming out later this year, you should see grade increasing, and of course you're seeing consistency throughout the ore body, and that will lead into a larger measured and indicated resource coming out later in the year.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by FireFly Metals Managing Director, Steve Parsons. Steve, really good to speak with you this morning. You've reported some of the highest grade results yet from Green Bay. What do these mean for the upcoming resource upgrade?
Yeah, thanks for having me on. Yeah, some great new results we've put out. There's been a little bit of a hiatus for the last few weeks while we've completed our capital raising, which is now all completed with the SPP going through on Monday. It's been summer holidays up there in North America as they do. Anyway, everyone's back on deck and things are about to get ripping and roaring again. So latest drill results, high grade, the all infill drill results. We've had some outstanding hits. In fact, intersections of like 11 meters at 9% copper equivalent. And remembering this is a gold and copper ore body, so 6% copper, 4 grams gold in that drill hit, for instance. And that's in the first of the mineralized zones, and sitting directly below that, some very, very high grade in the big footwall zone. So we're also getting zones of such as 26 meters at 5% as well. So what that means for the upcoming resource that'll be coming out later this year, you should see grade increasing, and of course you're seeing consistency throughout the ore body, and that will lead into a larger measured and indicated resource coming out later in the year.
Steve, you've got 8 rigs turning right now. What are the main priorities for this phase of drilling, and what should investors watch for next?
Yeah, well, it's certainly drill, drill, drill for us, and creating value with the drill bit is our motto. So the drill rigs are really focused on 3 aspects. The infill drilling, of course, is really important. So 4 of those drill rigs are doing that. So you should see a flurry of more results coming out in the next few weeks as well. And so we're looking to get that measured and indicated category, which is currently at 24 million tonnes, which is already pretty good size. But we're looking to try and get that up to sort of 30, 40, or even 50 million tonnes for the study work that'll come out at the end of this year, start of next year. The second aspect is that we're stepping out and growing that resource as well. So 2 drill rigs are focused on that growth. So you'll see growth results coming out very soon. And then what's really exciting is we now have 2 surface rigs on the surface going around some of those regional targets and testing the regional targets, which of course haven't been looked at for, a long, long period of time. So we're super excited by that regional targeting, and we should have some results coming out on that very, very soon, I'd suspect.
Well, Steve, I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for taking the time today.
Yeah, thanks very much.
It's FireFly Metals Managing Director, Steve Parsons.